Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Did you know you could make a delicious smoothie with your cereals? So let's do it. Here I've got my cereal. I'm using Conflakes. You can use any cereal you have. I'll add my cornflakes into a blender and add some milk to it. You can still use the same quantity of milk you would use if you were drinking it with spoon. Then I'm going to, since it is smoothie, I'm going to add some fruits to it. So I've just added some half apple anyway and some frozen banana. I'm adding some peanuts to it and a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I also have yogurt, so I'm adding it yogurt to make it more creamy. Cover and blend. You are free to add any fruit that you have at home. And here we have our cereal smoothie or cornflakes smoothie. You call it the cereal you are using. So I have here cornflakes smoothie. Transfer into a cup and enjoy. If you want it chilled, you can add ice cubes when you're blending it. I used frozen banana and the milk and the yogurt I used were also chilled. So I'm having cold smoothie here. I love my smoothie chilled anyway. And here I'm just topping it with some cornflakes which I crushed into tiny pieces just to make the smoothie look fancy. Giving it a fancy look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you're going to give it a try. I tested it for you and the thing is very, very delicious. And kids will also love this. Thank you all for watching. I hope you give the video a thumbs up and also share it to your friends and their families. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.